TD Bank supports Zelle, so you can send money directly from your TD account using the TD Bank mobile app or online banking. Transfers to enrolled recipients are typically free and arrive in minutes. How to send money with Zelle from the TD Bank app. Open the TD Bank app and log in. Select Send Money with Zelle or look under Payments or Transfer. If it's your first time, enroll by verifying your email or US mobile number and accepting the terms. Tap Send. Choose or add a recipient using their email address, US mobile number, or by scanning their Zelle QR code. You can also select from your contacts, enter the amount, and an optional memo or note. Select the TD account to send from. Review the details carefully, especially the recipient's name, and confirm or send. On online banking, log in at td.com, go to the Zelle section, and follow similar steps.